Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's Workshop, and welcome to issue 26 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our wonderful friend over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build along with me your very own Batmobile, head over to this link here, all the way along here. It's in the description below as well, and take out a subscription to this because it is a thing of beauty. Just look at it. Let's have a quick shufty through the magazine. Back to our man, the Joker there. Beneath the novelty store, having a look at some of the hoodlums' lairs, as they used to say back in the day. Batman joins the Owl family. Batman and Son. There you go. This is from 1962. The Bizarre Polka Dot Man. Bless them. The Riddle of the Four Planets. The Mystery of the Alien Superboy. I love how their obsession with aliens in the 50s and 60s crept into everything. This is phase 26. Further pieces of frame go to the chassis. Left middle and left rear frame is going in. And this is going to give you some idea of the length of the Batmobile from bump stop to bump stop. It is surprising when you see these two pieces go in. You suddenly look at it and go, that is going to be a long kit. So it shows you how to assemble the frame there, getting it all in place. And then we're going on the two brace bars. So you'll need your front assembly, folks. And then this is what the result is going to be. You're beginning to build your frame. And then over the next few issues, you'll have the other side coming down to marry it up. And then we can start putting all the other gubbins under there. Okay? Let's grab our bits and bobs and get them on the bench. And then we can start some building, folks. Right, folks. So this is what we've got. You've got your chassis sections there. You've got 26B, which is this one. Okay, so we'll have that just there. And then you've got 26A, which is this one. Okay, and that goes off towards the back end, and that one will go in there. Something like that. Okay, and this is going to be joined with CM screws. We might as well put these in place now. Also, remember, they're going into die cast, so we'll have a bit of oil on these. Like so. And we'll start fitting these together. Straight away you can see, I mean, this is only the middle and the rear section. I've still got the front section to join this to, but it is huge. Yeah, I'm going to need to move my bench about. It's a work in progress that I've been putting off. But I'm at that point with the Partworks now where I'm going to have to do it. So let's just line that up. Okay. Pop that into place. Like that. Just want to make sure they're fully home. So that's that. We've now got to join that to the front. So I've got to try and figure this out now. We're going round that way. And I will marry up the front section. So let's just bring that in somewhere there. Like that. And then we can start bringing that into place. Like that. Cool. So we're getting there. Let's line this up. Just have to move that off there. Move me thing out the way. There you go. Let's put that one in first in the middle. that. And then we can bring that up in there. Right, put that on there. Grab the screw. Put that in place. There. Like that. And that is absolutely massive, folks. It really is huge. That is going to take up the entirety of my bench. But absolutely is going to be huge. There's the front. And we are coming all the way across. Like so. Okay. So I'll try and get a photograph of that taken. But yeah. So the next time we do this, we'll have different camera angles and bench layout because, yeah, we're getting to that point. She's growing, isn't she? Look at her. Oh my God. It's going to be huge. So there you go, folks. That's where we're finishing today. If you'd like one of these for yourself, head over to the Fanhome website by visiting this link here. It's also in the description below the video. Also, to help me out and help me grow my channel, if you could subscribe, follow that little festa there and subscribe, ring the bell, and that will notify you of any upcoming future content, folks. Okay? So till the next time, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now. I need to figure out how I'm going to get this to fit on the bench. Bye-bye.